Maba, amamfo akasa, enipa bebree akasa. Many people are commenting about the 20 years of jail for wontumi. Now, there's one person in particular and a comment, I say you can understand where it is coming from. I'm a person menu in chintie. Now, if you want so you call in different matters. Aye, in different matters. Now, enipa American needing me bona sema na se meka ne ho asemi. Ene akwana ye fe na jantoana. Na owo Nhyira FM asese okọ radio bi ese frɛ ne ahemfie wadwa kra o se ndc phone to info musika nada no de wona koma mu so obeka no eno ana obeka oba life after chama wontumi was sentenced na oba life no o se ndc for hypocrites ndc for ye nkontompofo wo mo nka no kre o mo dada wo mo ho adentia also no na janto oto no nim say ndc fo binom ye gadam say president mahama nim enso waja omo ena odi chama wontumi achi abusua okaya ka say nyankopo hata suru ebetua ndc fo nyina aka ndc ni bia oye gadam say nyankopo betua naka esa kaya kotwefa issue bia ekoso ene mahama person ko third time Esen trouble mahama yepa. Now the young konko video number. We come back to the studio. Now you talk about a lot. Lawyers are hot akasa. Lawrence Sampao akasa afa dia ekoso hoi. Eko chama wontumi said wakasa fa ho. Lawyer Atachi akasa lawyers akase titimfo akasa. Me wo mu nyina videos ho ya. Ye be chedi nyina afa na ye ni kanko ni nkonko tie asema na jantoa e kan kire yewura John Mahama ewia na ya toa so e ofia ya ma me da na pia me akwa ba yie pa.
Can't wait for posterity. Da munyini se ya wo nsɛmtwerɛfoɔ a wo ma ye o ma dwen sɛ untimi mfa sika nto no omu wo hɔ. Eni ayama oman na say no. Eni ayama no kre no aye problem se ebe ka ho asem. Oman de ekwe. Ye were politicians are NDC time. De bia no mu frɛw. Den time na me bona na Akufo Addo achi no. Politician bi wo ho a eno mu aba mu a every time they were calling you. Eno mu nya aba wie kra mu nimo. Asemba dia no matamfo ni baba abefrew as if say omu na ma usika anase omu na ma wo bosome so omu na tua woka MPP wa abemu no ani ebo MPP achi de bia no that time no NDC fo ni bi wo ho a ene wo ye ya na efro na esre kirew na yese ne eno mu nya tumi krom wura fi kra say na janto bi wo ho. I'm not interested in the money but it's about relationship because now no me kan say me hu ye me hu kofo President Kofo na abemu mi hu mpanyufo bi a first no mo kasa pa na Ghana ewo so ene yen kai wo mu din biem mi hu President Atamils mi hu mpanyufo bi a no mo otumi a o mo kasa ene sankrofo no kwa ye nimo mo me hu President John Mahama part 1 mi hu mpanyufo bi a that time ahantan ne dwane ho ahwan a John Mahama free so no otie de President John Mahama kai o mo ye empty. They were empty. Empty nature say. No munyo bia biem. President John Mahama that time President John Mahama part 1. In konfoni ba mi huomo ebi kra ba me nchen besre me no pe DC ebi pe MP ebi pe hwan edru ba bi no na onimo. Konfo enti asese enye ye nyina na betim di sika toyen. Enti memo bi na daw say na janto ya tono. Nana janto NDC fo atono nana janto MPP fo atono obi kasa ka ten se onim nipa na one ne kasa no anka esika ne de tomia anka mentia because yan hu sika anim and say kasa o mfa ne sika nko may you perish with your money untimi mfa sika nhwehwan me pese me hwe kokko ene gobe na matena me baabi dan say odu sika fin bi be ma me just because of usika fino inti me betena ha na me beye obedin. Perish with your money. The Yankopon nam no so de be hyira me no obenam so hyira me. Yankopon so hyira me dada. It doesn't need you to validate. Enya wo a we a politician na 4 years pepe John Mahama free so wunyo bia no wo unti me jaika na nanu ane ka MPP asem no na no de na ya wo de na na ya kan this asem a mayenka. And according to you, who interest? Na Ghana interest no way. Matina se ama Ghana anthem kramu nimto. But we to NDC for national anthem and now MPP anthem. MPP ni beto. NDC anthem, NDC ni. Catch MPP for ni NDC for so musia. Ayo muto Ghana national anthem. Mi busa question we ne. MPP for ni NDC for de bia mudu ometino. So musia. No muto revolution. Any we are the great party MPP na. Ayo muto national anthem. And no muto God bless our whole land Ghana no. Omuto the pledge no mukabi. Omonka party asem. Party. And your man bana aya na ye hwe ni din sa no. Aya na me ya. But when the course me no mienu because my catcher say odo wo party chain on mine. O sorry anopa wo pese okwa abrochire say ni adetete on mine no. Yenya abrochire de adetete on mine say in some trouble for be ka no kre akyere on mine no. Wadwuma no. That is the constitution. Article 162 from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ni nyina akyere de was here. Article 162, the freedom of the press, the independence of the press. Ewomu ya sede ni say sorry anopa aban de bia wo ye bia no ye ma ye ni na ho ne enya te say watchdog ni say kraman a wo po enti ye sorry anopa ne epa obi wa say moti so anamo kekam ya wo say kekam ya dwuma say yan kekam because kraman wo kekam me ade na wo ye dede ade na wie dede ne abusa se de ntia na nagyanto asori anopo ye dede ni nyina ne se obi edi sika de ntia na nagyanto asori anopo kekam ye ni nyina ne se obi ye galamsey obi edi sika enti aban sori na koye ho adwuma eno nti ne epupom ye bubom ye kekam te se kraman. We are watchdog into what done ne ye hwe so enye nyina na to be di sika. Now sika wo de che me ye de che nkrofo wonim sika de che at the end of the day. Tia na emesre. Enye ni nyina na ebetimi aka wa ha. Se bi adwuma ye ase ye man nkrofo. Boso me ye sika na ye nya no. Wo hwe ma na wo kra no sika no nhyɛ dan di bio. Wo ye man nkrofo. Nti wo sika na wo de ma ye no. You think said that money should influence us. Emre bi Peter ni namhwa baabia akwa bi oye no ho komfo wo hu se ni tumi na na ode ye ne ye fake enti o share Peter ni na ne nkrofo na o se Peter minim se wo tumi ni de esronko ma memma wo sika ne fa wo tumi ni bi ma sika wo no sika nyina mo nyira wo ka se sika nti na me ye adwuma. May you perish with your money. If you are NDC MPP, no I wa dwene say ubetim ni sika toye nya ye mu bi na na jantoa. May you perish with your money. If you are thinking and say ubetim ni sika ana wo car ana say wan hwan e de member ye mu bia, may you perish with your money. O chamade ameje. But so wo chamade because o pese me ka bi ma NDC ni MPP a, may you perish with your money. For sika no free baby ko. Because e de amedidi. Sika na de ma me no. Se nya akoma pa, fa sika no. Me here I don't need it. Sabi Yankopon behwe me. Matena konmu pen, manwu. Na nya sam na ekura ye twitwa me se ma me mitiwei, me a menwe nam. Enyoma bebre wo kura ye twitwa me. Media ne kura eye bibi e wo ho. Enti dia na me kodi at this time. Milk a me numbi. Dia mani pa kura kase wo abobra. Milk a me numbi. Hwan me nu enama me wibi. Te se me dia ne na ye simple aduane. Enti dia nkwa na me kodi ansa na sei. We need to be honest. 2 minutes hard do. Let's be honest. I am ya say aso me edin and aso fo nyina so me ka no kre. Article 162 any the atoson monfanto in and mami mumbie the freedom and the responsibility of the media mumbie article the main one and mami ni enkinkan nanko fontiase in 2 years semtroni na wo MPP tam wo kasa na NDC tam wuntimi nkasa onyan semtroni papa woyan semtroni MPP time wo kasa ye gegegege NDC ba wuntimi nkasa ena wo semtroni no kosu ade wan Mimi tia nkrofo bebre nsuami o hwe me Misi se de ye MPP no saa ne de be ye NDC se de me de ye na Akufo-Addo saa na me de be ye President John Mahama maba betena ha akamfo no emprempi e won nyoma bi ho ene de omo nte akaka se President Mahama 24-hour economy ni de oka no oboa wontimi nya ane no akaka se President Mahama oboa wontimi nya mi wan so analysis ni kire se wontimi nya obetimi aya enye saa figures no ontie aka tell say President Mahama a highway na wo ye na expressway na wo ye no eye de nemo nkoye bypass na wi say adan wonti ase adan tina na ahimfie afanya ndisi ne MPP dia o infanka CEO na ofre no koye no ho ndisi ne MPP anka memma because tama mi jai in Shire FM no na me wo many radio stations but me share radio stations na wo show ma ebi NDC ebi MPP me se me nko sebi nko musika no kra be doso chen de ahimfie FM ebi omode ma me ba me se me nko it's not about money come me pese me kwa akotena NDC platform so ana MPP platform so na ochina nko ba be kire me de me nkoka empare me me ni asofo radio station asofo kra ye adwuma me say asofo adwuma kra me nya bi sa asofo because asofo ne ba opese wo ka de wo so wo ka ne ho ahwan da bi your radio station be a me modi mia na me resign because of because me who say omu pese omu chichire me ma me nka de wo se me ka eno na me se me gya adwuma no radio station me modi I left not because say near pamumi o me se me ko cause sorry an ba na dan na say ni say na me say gya adwuma fo adwuma me mpe medidi enti wo pa chese pa ka kire mi o nyame aya adom madaroma no mpaibo watimi ahwemi akoskuwa dru PhD level enti wo pa chese mi jai radio amindidi me si de enti am ye morning show ni say mi sano mi tie morning show e wo Ghana ha na emu ye me ha because now NDC MPP we say and for so be maso enti me can say that bi nyame dum me na me ba anopa mesesa the orientation memma ye nyina asua de for Ghana's interest and o obusia ni kwa abrochi anu akotwa picture na no me baba ko okwa abrochi okwa Turkey watwitwa picture kama ate say bebia ye kama eho ye neat ball ni bebia inso ni ye clear and watwa picture na mka chen say inso na wotwa no AI ana because inso fefefe sana na river praye sana na river ofin eye sana na river densu ye sana na river jimi ewo oboase eye na inso na nitia utimi sabinom ene ye nyansa dodo nti ene ko river jimi ko jimi suo oboase insuo jimi a na eno ne ma oboase fo nsuo no ekofa jimi dam ni mu no kwabrane de galamsey asɛe no kwamanso ensuo a na ye kroje no kwabrane de nsuo asɛe no kotakwa bogoso ensuo a na etene kama no kwabrane asi no ko tano nimini forest Tano river tano ana efa kama no kwabrane de excavators asiso ase ensuo no kokọ konongo a ye tu galamsey na chese tantantan kwaboso mefre ho galamsey no kra de DC no kra no yebi DC na no watwamu no ya danso galamsey no na edidi ni trima omunyaaye bosome ena sese omude ba le bosomche atese omuse dimo na sankrofo we wo sister nimu a wo so ya no pa you are thinking about your party as against Ghana. Inti eba menka. How many times yenka send this for ni binsu ya galamsey? asem we meka yenye ne se NDC fo ne ba ya no muso hye galamsey ase ampanyufo NDC mpanyufo ebi asase ye galamsey nyame betua moka. God will punish you guys. Hwe de mo ye on mine no ho ye ka mo mfi no, God will deal with you. God will punish you. Nyankopon betua moka. Me say NDC ni bia panyi bia ene oyonko ye de na tum 20 years. Hwe would said I'm telling you, NDC ni bia we are involved in galamsey. Hwe you die before your time. Obe wu ntiase because yen kokoma on mine no yen fa ye krensi wo enye campaign say na Akufo-Addo ne nkrofo ye galamsey enti Ghana fon tuntia no na wo nso agye atum say yes omu ye galamsey na ade atie a wo ba ya wa benti wa hyase ye galamsey. God will punish you. Nyametua wo ka NDC panyi bia na wo hye galamsey ase. Minka small scale mining. Be say NDC ni bia on sase galamsey ase awa yi woni. God will punish you. Unya hoto. God will deal with you. Ahoto unya hoto. Anybody with the politics ebe mu na Akufo-Addo time ni e ka galamsey a uji tuma wonsu ye bi. God will punish you. You never find peace. Because my catcher so bia was saying so no ye wudini. Do chance asigu uye wudini. Ahemfo no kura de menka ho asem. Nananum ni mo abedi. Nana wa himfo. Nananum abedi. Sa wo ye ohene na wa hye. Se galamsey be koso a. Sabi konongo. Enti na mi busa ye nananum ani de kwan so. Samre na ye kan wasem, e kan wasem minia iraso sasaredonko multimedia. Konongo ya ye hu documentaries enti nananum ante. Manso nananum munte adanse nanano monte sefi monte nanano munim ho. So what happened? What are we talking about? Are we serious? As our grown yedi Nancy President John Mahama minti min pretende me am nkrofo to be obi yen na dey hear me say and also be in them 20 years no problem. I am not na ye adwuma and I agree because minya ne said wontumi de na sase akoma obi and nipa kro no etu galamsey and one ni o and etiamra because asase ne de ma wo say ye legal mining wo so wo de ama wadamfo and also wadamfo no ko onye reclamation no ndi ankube and asese akwakofa asemfo fraba no problem. Emra no eye MPP for na hyehye emra no MPP for na hyehye emra first na nanka galamsey hu asem ukodema ye 2 years say MPP for na 2019 omo sesa emra nim say se echi so bi ye galamsey na illegal mining na yemfa no ntum between 15 to 25 years o say yes yemfa no ntum between 15 to 25 years MPP for na hyehye emra no ena judge ni use ye unto wo share ye no and also okay 15 to 25 years no mama with 20 years afina mo kikem MPP for afina mo kikem me catch them me busa aban me busa President John Mahama enti nanu a wote se wa wo nkrofo ni bi tu galamsey no why you mo den President John Mahama Bibusa say nanu a wo se wa wo nkrofo ni bi wunnim so mu tu galamsey no why you mo den because enema hu say mo bubo na Akufo-Addo die say na Akufo-Addo assign wontumi ti enti mo bubo na wa wo nkrofo na wo ya aware wate national security akatel say omu ye galamsey no President John Dramani Mahama papa respectfully why you mo den time ye di wontumi ye season nyoma no na onko sa forest ni mu ba galamsey da so koso nti e kire say enye wontumi se mususu se o ye galamsey ana so de na ade ama obi amane ye galamsey ni da so koso dika galamsey ni koso under your watch tina na no me catch you say national security e wo cameras a be bia wo Ghana ha bia no omunim krofo mu ye galamsey they know. Untimi nkanchem say president aye ma briefing no unim NDC form ye galamsey yankopon kwa na enokwafo Yankopon kwa na nokwafo. Ebedru baabi. Me say ebesesa.
Yes, enti nana janto ase Nyankopon kwa na nokwafo. Wadua papa na ne bu afupa. Osi NDC fo aye omo hu nkrofo bi odwere ho omo ntiase omo ye garamse na omo chi garamse fo gum. Hey, chawa wontumi ho asem ye de nsem aba. E de nsem aba. Amanfo e kasa yie pa. Now, I'm taking the last part of what this man said. Osi NDC fo ye garamse. Osi ono onim se NDC fo ye garamse but enye ono nko asach kra. Yewura mahama enche bia o kan se NDC fo binom eye garamse. Area ba ko bia ba bonton no de wabo amanfo dini. Mimi a o se Anthony mo akwa papa. Waba bonton de wabo amanfo dini NDC fo o se onim omo wabo mo din omo ye garamse. E wa asante maimo. Yen krenko tie na yen san family sisia.
NDC national organizer. Wo to ofun galamse say the ordin in some yenu didi. Kumase Ashanti region. And I'm making
about what we no more say capitals ni nyina ni into galamse to villages.
And I'm saying Ashanti region, not Kumasi to be precise. Ashanti region kese. You know me nim baby mining ni galamse koso. Baby on my villages ni bi on my yentini embody ebia ye hu ni din sese because of the emirati. But that doesn't mean say galamse enkoso Ashanti region. Galamse koso gidi NDC for ya mean to be precise. What the ekwe hwehwe mu. Also by a man appointment. 200 odi be no. Wo tu galamse me say wo tu galamse gidi.
Ya me so by a man appointment.
Me say oba no ye man appointment bia. Galamse and why campaign. E wo Kumase no wo tu galamse gidi. Mbetu tu galamse ase. Mun ko fo de bubu so mu tu galamse. E dey ase no na do dan kwaku fo do tenkan ha. E so mo se ono ye ato ne party for gu wuram e no wo tu galamse e no mo diska ne be no Jubilee House. Sana this 14 akomo mo kai. Obi se na do dan kwaku fo ado. Oluma na oti Jubilee House obu amamu pamanko enkola ko school free no. Ono na ode ne wo fa asene ne party for egu bush e no mo tu galamse. Eti omuto Jubilee House kwa edini. Se galamse no ayetu Ghana hanom no efi Jubilee House eti yetimi ntu asieda eti ene de ene koso eti ene owura John Dramani Mahama president opese yen kan chere say galamse na ekoso na yensuo se na ye niane ye bibia.
Yes, enti se utie yenwa wa okase ya oye one of the commentators ewo radio ayefene Otek in Kumase and okase because asema ye kind I'm linking it with asema na jantoa e kan what is in jantoa na wadwapa na jantoa na wadwapa enti asema o kan say NDC fo binom ye galamse no and na me ko for a video ye wo obi ono so kan say yes no kre in Ashanti region e kan ipo ye galamse ho pa ye NDC national organizer IFN you just Joseph Yamin na ayasemo chawa wontumi chie na odwene ho a wonte asio the maximum punishment e wo senka chama wontumi enya ene se bia nka ebe fund no in terms of money na ebia ya kan se onkura asase ni nyina na nka nipa na ye call ya na obutuo galamse no onu mom na nka ye jede no aman die years to go and serve mama nchechero mu ye na wanye bias wanye quick we can say quick ejaculation tentema mama ka say asembe na woke mama nchechero mu ye chama wontumi ye owner of a company, right? In law every company no you were what? You were legal representative. Ewo mram ni book sem ni onipa ogina ho a ono na represent company no. But in any case, company ni nye nipa dasani. Tiemiye pa, company no enye nipa dasani. The owners of the company are human being, but company na ankasa no onye in Italy almost it persona physica or physical person. And to say the company needing ekoya de bonia, the sole responsibility lies in the arms of the company. Until say, yeah, the company needing bekoya dia yebehu enipa or commit sa crime no. And to say yeah, koye boni bi, yeah, the company needing koye boni bi. Na yenye nipa or comment crime no etchine wo hwa. Say. Enipa na ye call ya no butu so or ya de na ya de bone no. You give a punishment. Ya train or law num say whoever is being seen to do gadam say and no some famano. And no some famano. Nanka the beko so tima ya and say okay the company was ya also wasase want to me anya gardens want to me unsupervised on sasia opiko wura mu koye garancy ntino ebi atwa sika se fama aban ye jo lances and as go and do reclamation of all the land. That was supposed to be the better judgment that should have happened. But listen to what happened. Enipa na ye koya no butu ho na ye garancy a wabi na no akase wa chama wuntumi ansoma me se min koye garancy. Wasi min ko dua na ma wasase no so no. Aban ne se sa nipa ne hu hia no. Na mo nipa ne hu hia ne chama wuntumi. Enti sa na tie dia sa kwa na okodi ibone no omra media dance kunu mu mfanti a chama wuntumi. Na omo de agina so aye adanse a omo betumi e de chama wuntumi akwa akotum. He, ameka asem nchiro. Chama wuntumi, this is not the first time Yewura Mahama. Pacho timi yepa. Because me I believe say we are people here. Normally, you already tag. Say we are men that read, that we do research. We are men. We know what is going on. And to say, oh, I'm in person of my man for confused sooner. I said no the reality no. You're the best you now on TSC. Yewura Mahama in 2013. In 2013. In 2013, na chama wuntumi and chama wuntumi dada. Temi yepa. In 2013, na chama wuntumi and chama wuntumi dada. Afena na washa asia oye politics kese. Chama wuntumi se. Chama wuntumi onanka se na numo. Osi Yewura Mahama frɛ ne de ne ko ni fie. Apre ono kwa no njini. Se ebe ye possible se Yewura Mahama. Ena frɛ ne so nko ni fie. Osi so koduru Yewura Mahama ni fie ho a. Asra Mahama ka kye ne se ommeye NDC ni. Na se wa mama ye NDC ni a ne ho ntɔ no. Chama wuntumi so se da bi ommeye NDC ni. Ena chama wuntumi firi ho no koye. Since asem wesi ya chama wuntumi firi sa firi ho koye no. There has never been peace for chama wuntumi from John Mahama's side. But when he say, but I know more opposition no. He had no way that he could punish chama wuntumi. And the you know so him say chama wuntumi so the okasa. I know the okasa no the okasa. Wuntumi kasa on kasa. And the chama wuntumi now no suffer in the hands of Yewura John Mahama in the past. I no so ene waba benye tumi no. He also decided to showcase a little bit of power against Yewura Mahama and his brother. And sometimes no say chama wuntumi was very harsh. Na and then to kwa chef from me banambo video na. Hey, what they are trying to say chama wuntumi I got am say. There is no part of the judgment. There is nowhere. The reason for sentence and then say or the wama just say obia juma obia gadam say one assassin so abra or no one taking good control of the land. That is the reason why he has been jailed. And there's some America. And yet, na Mahama time chairman. it is long-term hatred. And the chama wontumi power no. Enam de wafam manda mahama bresu ye question excavator 400 why no into no. Chama wontumi also wanted to show some little power to John Mahama and his brother. Into a shase no otro powers bi no mekwa abonten. Once a political war there, yenkunwie o. A secular. That's a secular English, like I say, a century. You could well and fear or ham or fear or ham and fear or ha and fear a Hassan political fight. No, you're calling for years, hundreds of years. And the Chama want to me asa December 2024 7th. The opponent John Mahama or Babenya to me. This time, when him such a mawoon to me, a position in a manner you cannot touch him about unlawful conduct. So they needed to find a strategy to incarcerate him. Because they wouldn't even year. Sansam na epie ye abra na ye bekoto abasa chama wontumi ye garam say 2022 no, that were all agendas of the NDC. And they make even MPP for be kuraso so ba bonten be kansa ni pesi da bi me ye minor me was certificate ya me minor. I'm not a garam sayer. Me ni fendi garam sayer. Obi ye garam say piano he don't deserve my defense. But what is going on here? And the chama won't to me alusu power. So Yura, His Excellency John Mahama, on any one to qua. This is a secular war, political war. A ohani Mfia to do na yede kontokwa in politics. Santokwano as it is a ball as eja. Oha. I said to Obo Onumi. And the Yura Mahama Baya say Chamai. Or now Tiabonton and I will do rough. Now come here. Let me show you where power lies. That is what is happening today to Chabawood to me. When I now own your power after me show excavators. Me punish you once you answer. When your power antino utmi eternal radio so I can't send them farm home. Some many man Nana Jane Jeopoku Ada. Or say Nipo can some phone, Nipo din some phone. O can't phone chena. Nay, ya. You see, Obi out tin nipa mene. Ya no sry yana. Ma Mr. Kibarima. I'm a hunter say, I'm a quaba yepa. Yes, a nipa o tretreno. Ya no sry yana. Enti Yura Mahama no can some phone di amanfo atem directly and indirectly. Yura no timidi or time say amanfo hiri won niema no. Yura no timi friend another dan kwakufu adonom nyina so mo ya asakawa achim sakawa fo. Sa papa no o ka sebio. Aye nuro bi omo ye na ama atore nchemechi Ghana for Ghana osi wadidi na temti ebechi watum. Because you see Chamini Biano Israel yana. He is being persecuted by his own mentality than it him. Not doing that, yes, utimu fire, why do you yes, I can't mabu benny ye. Say utimu fire, utinu aboa, and yet then encow. And you're no papa no can't open or see more being cabin because it's a supreme wine. And then abayo abako yase akwa kocha another TikToker ene ya nano pa ya se so akasa di etia Yura Mahama na yemfa sa TikToker we na asem no ento ebia na wo refri a epese wunti chama wuntumi abra all kind of story how His Excellency John Mahama in 2013 decided to bring him down. Now one question baby anka say ye garamse asem because in the judgment no ye ntwe baby ase chama wontumi no ye garamse. Na asem we ba bonten de ye me ya ne say enkrofo bi se omo ye the base for enkrofo bi se omo ye Canada Japan supporters enkrofo bi se omo ye MPP for but omo di Canada Japan achije. They are jubilating. Utemi they actually jubilating. Yeah, assuming Francis Kofi Ouredu ene Isha Wali mechiamu nyina. Yeah. Mechiamu nyina. Me yo say Anthony mechama me da na mechiam. Esther K. Barima, the powerful firebrand. Ento aso. Asem na ye kan wana nyese bi agrobi na ye dio. Eye reality. Chama Wontumi has been targeted for very long time. Kwa be faso be kana no atum na ye be to ne dan mu. That is the idea and the aim of John Mahama and his brother. Into the Tranan can't say Chama Wontumi ankoye garamse. Na jitum. Because say ye mu binom nipa ni binom parking kind. But Pianiho, listen to me. In the 50 pages of Chama Wontumi sentence, there is no single place I actually say Chama Wontumi illegal mining. And I say, simply call galamse. Yo, Elikadu Siami Amakwa, I'm here. Temi yepa. Me say in the 52 pages of sentence, there is nowhere. He actually said, Chama Wontumi akoye galamse nti aye sentences, It never said so in the sentence. In the sentence, the name so the state. Ebuane for. So this should let you understand, say. And trona ye twetwe go abonte se Chama Wontumi galamse oye hwan eyentro. It was just a time keke. Because the fact is say, nam people for do be na ye ni emre. Because the NDC was then in opposition doing galamse to sponsor their campaign, They made sure say Amube create a certain mindset to be in the minds of Ghanaians say I'm people for na ye galamse because money to make it out. But in the research of Mr. Frimpong Boateng, ever can say, Okwa the Western region, any central by be a galamse activity, the people in command are the NDC members. But we forgot about that. And Kwasia Semni, Nkwasia Keka, any asumu, Denen Semen Yansan Nimuti, ye giant not to Hoko DH, say, Nanado Danko Kufuado, no Ankasane Gardens, the garden sim and ye to galamse. That was what all the report of Frimpong Boateng was about. And some of kind in that report too. In some of kind, nothing was took in consideration except the fact said, yes, another Ankasankasa ne garden sim. Ye took galamse. A man for call so moko pare. Oh, Jimmy. But as some report to Ruma, now a showcase people who are commanders of the galamse areas. We forgot about it because the NDC was smart to cover that part and bring in some stupidity for distractions. And I'm here in SOCD. But what you and I'm here in SOCD. And if I say NDC for a I'm saying, now, Baba, Nanado Danko Kufuado in the gardens, ye gadam say. I was on the tea, Mammy in common name, because yes, I tambeko. The person won't see a video, Abraham Chama Wontumi narrate how John Mahama destroyed him in 2013. If we ever send back to studio near to us. The video
in mining, illegal mining, before you joined politics in 2014.
Paul, as you have already asked me, mining is something I have benefited, and I was having a company called Hansol Mining.
Hansol,
Hansol. Hansol,
yeah.
Hansol Mining.
Yeah.
You know, I was the owner. That time, if you check the PMMC, you will see that I was the only Ghanaian company who was competing with Anglo Gold, BGL, Nemo Ghana, and stuff. I was making nobody at that time. So unfortunately, one day I was there. Then I had a call that President Mahama is calling me. So I went.
Which year was this?
I was 2013.
President Mahama was president.
President Mahama was the president. Okay. So I had a call that President Mahama is calling me to castle. That time he was in the castle. So I
Vice President Mahama or President Mahama? Because President Mahama really never operated from the castle. He started from Jubilee House.
No, you don't know.
That time, he was in the castle. Okay.
He was in the castle.
2013,
that time,
early. Okay.
Yes, early 2013. I know. That time,
Prof died.
Yeah, Prof died. You know. Then he was there before he moved to
the Jubilee House. Yeah.
To the Jubilee House. So he called. Then he said that.
So you met him?
I met him. That I was busy because I was going to I was going to see my workers and how they was. So
you didn't come to Accra to see him?
I didn't. I said to him, "You just call me." So
you mean he spoke to you directly on the phone?
No, he let somebody called me, you know, and I said to him, "Please, kindly tell him." So I was shocked. I said, "Me, President Mahama, want to talk to me?" About what? He said, yes, you are invited to the castle to meet him. Then he gave the time, blah, blah, blah. And I said, but now I'm on the way to my workplace, my company, Summer Boy. So the place I am, I cannot come. Then he said, okay, can I talk? Wait,
hold on.
Then I hope.
What's the about Summer Boy didn't know how? But be a case we cost war. He's talking about that.
Then he said that if you don't come on Friday, then you have to meet the president on Sunday in Tamale. And I say, okay. So in Tamale, I took one of airline. Then I flew to Tamale. Then I saw him. The time I reached there, all my company documents and everything was there.
Was in front of the president?
It's in front of him. You know, so that type of relative was there, and there was a guy.
Beblo Latte, then National Security Coordinator.
Yes, was there, and then his brother.
Which brother?
Peter Mahama was there.
Peter, yeah.
And the one they look alike, Alfred,
yeah.
Alfred Mahama was there, and some few people was there. Then he asked me, young man, how did you get all this money? I have all your documents. And I said,
how did you get all this money?
Yeah. Because all my documents. So he said, tell me the truth. And I said, I have nothing to hide. You know, for you to be small or big, you know, you have to work. So my work, the job that I do is a mining. I have a legitimate concession called Hansol and Akunta mining. So this is my document, and I have expatriates that they also work for me, and yeah. So he started opening. So he asked me, okay, tell me about mining. So I told him mining is not a bad thing. Every country need a mining. If you have a resources, you need it to develop here, but you have to regularize it or make a good policy for it. But to me, I have a legitimate lances they have signed for me. This is my lances. So he see everything through. Then he said, oh, this guy, you are too smart, because that time I was making about $1 million a day. So if you
Say
go
that
to
again. I don't believe that. That's why I said you said
go
it.
to PMMC.
You're making $1 million a day
Yes,
from
yes,
mining.
From mining.
So what do? You put the gold and you sell it abroad through PMMC?
No. What the money that you send, the money have to come back. That the money you send, the money will have to
send the money to where?
If you send the gold,
you send the gold, yes, and then
the money have to come back.
Yes.
So I told him that, Mr. President, do you understand about inflation? Do you understand it? We are the people. We are the kingpin of the inflation.
Okay. So the point you're making is that the miners are the core people who determine inflation.
The business people.
Yes, whether inflation is going to be high or low.
So
is determined by these people.
Yes, because of the money I'm making. If you touch me, the Ghana economy will hit. So he touched me on the June 2013 June.
How did this conversation end before he touched you? This Tamale conversation, how did it end?
He told me that, young man, you are too intelligent. I want you to come to NDC to support me. And then I said to him,
you're speaking on the national platform. President Mahama,
I'm saying
maybe
because
listening,
the time,
or his people are listening.
Listen, the time
you have to be sure that what you are saying is correct.
I will never lie. Wontumi will never lie. And he knows. The time I went there, I went there with now he's a Bosonchi MPP chairman. He was following me that time. Anywhere I go, he's the person. So I went there with him.
Where in Tamale did this meeting happen?
The residency.
Oh, the original minister's residence.
Yes, the residency. That's the place.
That's where usually the presidents go when they go to Tamale.
Yeah. No, he cannot say he didn't meet me. He cannot.
No, but did he tell you that you should come and support the NDC?
Oh yes, of course. It's normal. It's normal to tell the businessman if he have money, to say, come and support me.
Okay. So what did you say to that before the meeting ended?
I said to him, to me, I see politics as a religion. The place I come from, even if you have money, even if you have power, and you have money, and you don't belong to MPP, it's very dangerous. So to me, Mr. President, I don't want to say. And that time when I look at my pocket, I have money, so I'm brave, to tell him that no. So after that,
the conversation ended how? Yes, after that.
It ended like, okay, still the way. So he asked me, how can I employ everybody?
How can you, Chairman Wontumi?
No, how can
he, President Mahama, employ everybody
for Ghanaians to
benefit from this mining?
Yeah, how can we also stop the galamsey? Then
he raised galamsey with you at that time.
Yes, he said galamsey, and I said I'm not galamsey. He said they brought the letter that you are galamsey, and I said no, I'm not galamsey. This is my document, and check from your people that it said
Mike Hammer,
the
minister
who signed my document, and I say, listen, this is your minister, so call him to find out. So no, I'm not galamsey, because the people don't know. That is why it's a large scale, the same as Anglo Gold. And Mr. President,
you're a large scale man.
I was large scale. I'm always a large scale.
Okay.
Even now, I have something called lithium and stuff. I have 9 large scale companies in Ghana, but I just don't.
Let's come back to how the conversation ended. So he said what?
So
employment. He was talking about employment.
Yeah. So I said to him, immediately you touch me.
When did he say he was going to touch you?
Yes.
You said he was talking about employment.
They said they brought you for me to stop you.
That you are galamsey.
Yes. This is exactly this. They said they brought you for me to stop you. So convince me. And I said, Mr. President, if you touch me, immediately you touch me, I have about 5,000 workers to 6,000 immediately. I will go home and I won't do anything. And also it will affect the people. Precisely, the GDP we are talking about, and it will hit the
inflation.
The inflation will hit it. And then he said that, you sure? And I said, but the government having opened a company before, ever since for Kwame Nkrumah time, just name it. I just want to see. And then said, you are very courageous, so I will meet you again. I will set a meeting for you to explain the mining for them to see. And I say, okay. So he sent the people to come and meet me.
So this is how the meeting ended.
Yeah, this is how
that he reconvene another meeting.
Yes,
and then
so he convened. So that time, Nusa Fuseni was a
minister.
Was a minister. Then I had a call from one of his allies that they are going to attack your companies. So I called Nusa Fuseni, and I said, Mr. Minister, this is the information I'm having that the president is sending some people to go and attack my company. Please, I'm begging you. I'm begging you. That time, Paul. That is, you know, when I was a child, like 17 years, my mom died when I was 17. That time, my mom was 38 years when he died. You know, next year's about 25 years, something like that. And when I say, when you ask me what is your bad day, is the day my mom died and the day former President Mahama destroyed my company. You know, he took my company like a Rambo style. You know, I was having about 500 excavators. They seized it.
500 is an interesting figure these days.
Yes.
500 excavators.
Yes, they seized it because...
So when you got the call, that's to get the storyline well, when you got the call from, and you called Nusa Fuseni.
I called Nusa Fuseni.
And told him that you have heard they want to attack you.
Yes.
What did he say? Did he assure you that is not true?
He said that no matter what happens, we will try to protect you. So don't worry.
Okay, that's what the minister said.
Yes, yeah. This is what he said. Yeah. So I called him. So I moved from here to Western region.
Here being Accra or Kumasi?
From Accra.
Okay.
That time my office was in Tema.
So then you moved to Takra, you said, from Accra.
Yes, so I moved
after this conversation.
After that,
did you alert your people that they are going to attack us? So when they come, be careful, something like that.
They told me they are not going.
Okay.
This is what the minister told me, that they are not going. But still, you know, the Bible said where your property is, where you know, that is the place your heart is. Yeah. So I was also trying to move to do what I can do. So that time, Kofi Boache was the regional police
in Ashanti.
No, in
Takoradi.
Yeah. Okay. So I tried to go there. So immediately I got it. He said, "Chairman, forget it. It's gone." And
that's what the DCOP told you.
Oh, he told me. He pointed blank to He pointed blank. He said, "It's gone. Don't go there. If you go there, you might be killed. So stop. Don't go." Yeah, and I said, no.
He was already aware, or you briefed him?
No, they called because the government, you know, the President Mahama himself cannot go and do it.
Yes.
You know, he have to work through the security agency. Of course, he also will receive calls and stuff like that.
As regional commander of Western Region, he was aware.
So he didn't give me detail.
No, he couldn't give you detail.
He couldn't give me detail, but he just said immediately. I showed the documents to him and stuff. He said sorry. You know. He says sorry.
But you went to him because he was your friend?
No.
Why did you go to him?
I'm also a Ghanaian. I also
is the concession in Western Region?
Yes.
Oh, it is in Western Region. I thought it's in Ashanti Region.
No.
Oh, so it's in Western region.
Okay, so I was showing my document to whoever.
All the influential people.
Because before it was going to, that time Bavrolate has invited me to national security about 4 times.
For what?
That time Galamsey, you should accept that you are Galamsey. And I said, no, I'm not Galamsey. They said, how do you bring the Chinese people? And I said, I'm not ambassador in China. You should ask the Ghana ambassador to China.
Did you have Chinese people working for you?
Yes, that time, yes. I have the Chinese people.
Do you know Aisha Wan?
No, I never know him.
But you have Chinese people working for you?
I have the Chinese, because that time I have we have service support mining. I have a service support mining. So if you have a service support mining, the Minerals Commission can give you quota You know, you can bring. It's the same as Anglo Gold, having
or Goldfields
Goldfields having the same priority, the same thing.
What is it called? Service support mining.
Service support mining. I was having service support mining. You know, so I show all my documents, you know, to Bavrolate in the national security. You know that. Listen, if you are saying that I'm a galamsey, then arrest me. Because this is my document. This is the minister, and I'm not immigration officer. I also don't give working permit. You know, I'm also not interior minister to give working permit and stuff. Please, I'm a businessman. So I went straight for my business to be successful. So
okay. So after the meeting with Kofi Boakye, then what happened?
So after with Bovlolate, you know that they want to, it was a big meeting,
with a lot of security people there.
Big one.
Who else do you remember was there, apart from Colonel Bovlolate?
Apart from that, there was one military. There was one military man. He took in charge of the operation.
Okay, you don't remember his name, that's okay.
Yes, I don't remember, but I will.
So Lai Bavlolate wanted you to accept that you are a galamsey.
There was a migration, everybody. So everybody is throwing. So I was.
But did you attend these meetings alone, without your lawyer?
I went there with my lawyer.
Okay, who's your lawyer?
That time I went there with called Dako.
A lawyer called Dako.
Dako is the person who wants to stand in Swami.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Your former lawyer.
My former lawyer.
Challenging the MP of Swami.
Yeah,
and you are Ashanti Regional Minister. Ashanti Regional Chairman.
And now, yeah.
For the referee for the contest.
Oh, now this one is not
that's a side issue.
Osei Chairman Sabunsu is Chairman Sabunsu.
Oh, Swami is Osei Chairman Sabunsu.
Yes.
Yes, the majority leader.
Majority leader.
Okay, your former lawyer is the one challenging him.
Yeah, my former lawyer is my former lawyer.
Okay, no problem. So let's get back to the story.
Yeah, so at that time I went there with him. So that they was talking illegal this and they was talking this, and then the lawyer was talk here. And I said, no, Mr. Lawyer, no, sit down. Mr. Bavlolate, look, why I'm having all this document and stuff. This is the documents. If you are saying I'm illegal, arrest me. So you want to harass me because I have money. This man told President Mahama that it won't work. I told them. So it just happened just like that. So I was moving from radio station to radio station.
In Kumasi?
Here, Accra. I was living here.
Okay.
TV station to TV station, moving everywhere, press conference. So you can go back to once you go Hansel mining or wontumi, you will just see into the distance. So they tagged me, so that they can steal. You know what happened? Not knowing that the workers, even they was working with me, some are even the national security have sent them there, so they know where exactly the gold we are hiding the gold. You
were hiding gold?
But no, I was putting my gold. Yes, because
you mean the gold that you mine?
You mine.
You hide it somewhere, okay.
Yes, you have to have
before it goes to PMMC.
Before you will send it to PMMC,
okay.
You have to have a place in there,
like a vault or so.
Yes, and sometimes you also have to sell some so that you can have money to do daily.
Sell some to who?
We have local buyers,
license, legitimate.
Yes, if you go to Takwa.
So if I want to buy, I cannot buy without a license.
No, you have to have a license
to buy.
Yes, you have to have a license. Either from PMMC.
Okay, so they came to attack you and they took everything from you.
Yes, so they know exactly. So that time Agaga was the minister of Interior. They killed even some of my workers. So I brought it. It's something that
it's a story that I've never heard.
Listen, I can never forgive President Mahama. I will never forgive him.
But you say you're a Christian, and I mean, if your story is true, I don't know whether it's true.
Listen.
But if it's true, God says you should forgive.
God said...
Yeah, he said, forgive us our trespasses as we forgive those who trespass against us. That's what the Lord's Prayer says.
And the God said, yeah, forgive, But David's Moses also said, yeah, when somebody also slap you, also you should also slap you. Okay. You know.
So I think I get the story now. So your concession was taken.
The concession.
Your work was destroyed. As
my
like
work.
So this was now what, 2014, 15?
2013.
Still 2013.
June.
Okay.
June
2013. Everything was taken. All your workers went.
All my workers.
And the gold that you had there was taken.
They took. You know, they brought it to Anusa Fuseni.
Did you sue the government?
Of course, I sued the government. Herbert Faber is my lawyer.
Herbert Faber.
Yeah, Herbert Faber. You know, it's my lawyer, and you can even that time. Akwasi Pratt, my uncle Akwasi Pratt. What do you call
Kwesi
it?
Pratt Jr. That's the very journalist Kwesi Pratt Jr.
Yes, journalist Akwasi Pratt. Journalist Kwaku Bako. I send all my documents to them for them to go and plead with me. Anybody I know you have influence, I just come to you to come and plead. You know, so they did what they could. You know, we still have their what they say.
What has happened to the case in court?
We are still on it.
On it.
Okay.
So you are claiming a judgment debt, I'm sure.
Of course it will come. Of course it will come. You know, so it's a certain Mahama did. So immediately.
Okay. So I think the story ended at night.
Yes, necessary. Chama wontumi ne story ne yie na uyo bi a odwene ko akire a enye nne ne ye hye asese ye pe chama wontumi achi no mimia fisherman mo akwaba yie pa enye nne NDC panyini John Mahama hye asese o pe chama wontumi achi no eya de bi e ko so achi pa na se na midi kanka no sa political war we na hyase a enwie nne enwie ochna ehiam feel ohane na asefo eni se otie chama wontumi o say he can never forgive Mahama. Mahama came back in power and he has arrested him because Omunim said there is no way they can arrest him because 2013 omo try omo ye ya anko ye in terms of legality. So yen juma ye or yen juma ye omoye ya omontumi anchina tum. But only what they have and say ombetumi aye katashe say ye kone site ya ko say ne nema season ne nema. That is what they did and they left him. Waso TB Saman Yura Mahama kanchire chama wontumi e wonu ankasa ni fie. So it was something actually organized. That was something I organized. They say we have to arrest Chama Wontumi. Yewura Mahama can campaigns platform so. Yewura Mahama can campaign platform so baby di president ya. Omo ye mining na juma no. Enye workers na ope omo. Omo ayachi omo atum no kro be yi omo. Na birum ti se Chama Wontumi nom ni MPP fo mpanyimfo birum na obechi omo. And that is what is happening. In fact, Miracle Sabuajin so akasa. Now, what Miracle is saying is say, already the arrest and the jail of 20 years for Chama Wontumi a political jail, and as a political sentence. Yenti Miracles na back to studio.
Na Facebook war.
Na me tag you some koye.
There has to be a follow-up.
No, I'm koye. And me pena minimum. Na so man peni anga kwa bie na num to anga se o kasa onim se ne nkrofo ni bi ka ho a na oboa. Enso onim mo. Yen nyina enim mo. Nti aso Chama Wontumi being used as a scapegoat for political. Yen nyina se Chama Wontumi dey tipo dem nye because of galamsey. So yen nyina enim.
So yeah.
Because of ninsem na num nsem.
But so kokoti en kasa nsem na.
Oh, so the enim. See, there's a difference between the enim and the edapono so.
But say embra na yedi.
Oh, ebi me no problem. Embra there, see, embra there you to me the use no ye there pe bia. Embra no to me. Betumi there there pe bia. Say wo no ebi betumi ye bone. But that ban some dey achew. But the same one now here no before you say you be court. There's a big difference. Chama Wontumi asem nipa nankasa okọ asase no so koye galamsey na chama wontumi ono no oni ko so why koye galamsey nipa na nkasa se okọ asase no so koye galamsey so ono no ya fa na yam prosecute no so nim say yam prosecute no nti ya ban choice it is a make sure say 2 minute and brady ya ban betumi use no so pe bia nti na ya ne ya ban twen me nti me ne ya ban twen because ya ban person de ye obi aso person ye wa or the bayo aha
nti mo ma person mo de bi ye obi ana
so be o example bi abetumi de ba at least me wo chama wontumi de ye wo ho aha
no baby sa
ye de me nkai so kai no betumi aka but me chama wontumi de ye wo ho ye nyina nim o man yi mu je se wo abese o pretend na onim se chama wontumi eye scapegoat. He's a political prisoner or he's in jail because of politics. Se chama wontumi ye politician na na nko ye galamsey mpo a me nyini se okedem ko mo ye galamsey se bebre ni mo nyina.
But na wo kana ya na mementi ase.
I won't say no man peni kai na o te ase.
Se de usiga se wuni mo munyina.
No man peni kai na so man peni so kai. O kai na o
me na o na.
Be ba so no so kai na o te. Ono so kai se ono so ni momo. O na o te na se. Ono no ko to me. Me bode me opposition, me say me opposition me ni to me.
Enti wo to me dia nkan dem wo to ho. Ba se sa abre no so na wo to me professor Frimpong Boateng go no anka say mo member bo bi dia dey na mo so.
Man ya professor Frimpong Boateng report no say in fact in the western region omo here the biggest we find say participants e wo galamsey NDC for it's in the report
na one can be so amfam
o kafa ye so ye ho
na de na monti
ye tunu na monti na you kwhwe ye time almost about 170 people were sentenced for galamsey.
We sentenced omo da so demo ana so omo serve omo
sentenced. No say various ebi one 6 months, ebi one 2 years, ebi one 3 years they were sentenced. Yes. No, you have to check. Yes. Nti the point is that galamsey from the bebre senya wontumi na ye wontumi Ashanti regional chairman kansem
so you admit sending nsem you kan ye nso so no na enye
no enye se enye na mo se wo ka politics ne ye se wo ka asem tiamia na se menye tumi a de mpe na metumi de tumi ne ye
ba wonim so ka bibi tie o mampanyi ne
no min man so di na tem ana anti bibi sa minim so ye politics se so mampanyi so kansem ene NDC for so kansem tie Akufo-Addo. That is why I always have a problem. Let me tell you one of the things that scares me a lot is when I feel that the America, maybe to me I'm a big wolf. No, I'm a bonnet.
Okay.
It scares me a lot. I'm very worried about it because otherwise, what is the beauty of the democracy anyway?
But since you know who is so can be a count for and debate me ayo bonnet.
Baby.
Nani day na gamali no be share your can say no call for so kasado dona.
Into the maintenance no. So I just into the maintenance no. Say I did here yen kasa. Oko other countries so much to. Yen sen omo. Oko other countries so much to. In other countries, Burkina Faso, Guinea, Mali, how much you no mo didi nkomo yensen omo se yenye dia ebe ya na se ebe sra no pa na ebe ka se me no nya adwen o so be 24-hour economy 133 untumi yeye nti wasa bomode national ya sadia wasa untumi yeye nti bia me kan e yo ya se me toto but em fa no ho ebufuo mfam weni betata me ese na me ka wati ase because after all the NDC for katia MPP aban ye akakotambo
monka kota
nti afia de
bibi sa o monka
yeah bi na de MPP NDC for kai se wo na se ina na ye ba ha Akufo-Addo ye kromfo Akufo-Addo ye say achim mafia thief shortman devil why you say manidin bebre NDC for to me ye achichire throw book ejapade throw book nyina hye Akufo-Addo why na ndi Akufo-Addo atem e wo man we mu why ene ndi Akufo-Addo atem what say obi ka say na ne buefu no no nti me dey be view there speech should not be criminalized. Speech should not be fashion ho said you may see a bear friend of politics here see a leadership in politics ebi so do ho bedi mu a
yes and say utie asema miracle sabwaji can say only people who don't want to know and him say chama wontumi politics and amaye de na akwakotum na loyal ampaw ababonten abekasa afa chama wontumi nchie ho and odi asem bi to do say chairman ansana ade be chama na court no NDC for Birumba and chain ebe born a man here said the Martin said the NDC government want to jail him 20 years. Enti Oma wonsika because Oma money information. Semna Sabio lawyer ampa kan no. Emu edru kakra. Na say yem kwere nkonkotie. And Samna back to the studio.
What then I can say me. And the ministry so and at the end of the day, no, all three of suffering will say, we really crowd body to body. We really need the da, we really charge us for the Ghana. So nada. In my case, we need to get you can pay yes, and every other for you also for the crowd of the father. Also for the father. It can mean that you continue to say, oh, you bully, because you'll be a bully. That's what it does. A bully the way through the trial. That is why we were able to do the trial this month. And the revelation is that this man is the husband. When they say in the home, they were discussing truth with case because they're here.
Yeah.
And she has an interest that truth should be jailed at all costs. Then this expose the person should be told on it. Let's between the two justices and then watch the ruling. Sir, it is biased and has no conflict of interest.
Okay.
The MPP should do that immediately. It can mean that information because you cannot have somebody who speaks. Okay, Papa, so
okay. Council, yeah, clarification is a year. Judge Renumia Ba Ekune Ekanasibi. It's a direct but they the same thing. Yes.
Because look at the Libya bar. Let me say the family should place.
Yeah.
Because they are here.
Yes.
The this issue should be raised. It's very short to say. That man has an influence over the judge.
Yes.
Even the way he will rule. And then you said this is good. I remember you also about the guy 20 years ago outside 25. Can you imagine?
Yes.
This expose must go all out because when Kenasibe is related to the judge. It's not marriage. And mistake here. And who's mistaken? What they are saying is the truth. So look at that angle. But you see, I've read the judgment. Let me educate you that every judgment, what in the piano, 80% of the judgment is discretionary. 20% is based on law. Any evidence. If you accept every judge as a potential bias to remove. And that bias is okay. That bias, a judge exhibited through the proceedings, the conduct, the actions, and then through the written ruling. We are okay, judge, who share, judge, but in the army. It's not going to say, so my to me, accusation, be a demand, you not direct evidence, yet credible. Yet, it should be proven the case beyond reasonable doubt in the moment. So, my to me, I didn't assassin my be willing to say, on your galamsey, non benefited. The evidence is clear, said Chamawu to me, did not be benefited from it, galamsey on his land. The evidence was clear, said Chamawu to me reported galamsey activities on the land, which were research.
Western Regional Security.
I'm a regional Mr. Kabi Diaga say there was a former complaint. Almost course I to three. There is evidence that says summer text. Forensic protection was that in process.
Yes.
Were also fighting Chamawu to me and allow his own vote also to do that to the man. There was no directed result Chamawu to me encouraged or gave the land for Gramsci. Now 7 million. You know our concession. Now all your processing now or doing the land the mouth say. But all your Gramsci. One the Ojizika. Oh yeah, now say what 2 years one Beniska. And that was the evidence I mean Momo to Gramsci no court to say. Chamawu to meet the man, you know, Yamanzika. Yamanzika. Number 2, I believe the 2 million also. Why you share with me? You know, every reasonable person, every reasonable Ghanaian, but that's what I say. The Muslim will be the no one visitor. no one benefits. And then they come on some amount of money. Into the evidence of the most to be said. As I say, in our family, the Latin was so. Now, what report? Now, we couldn't say, okay, so dear, now we came, that's happened. That's a good idea. If they are coming to me from the evidence, one cohort, within the only was I for. And at the end of the day, we check for the taking control of the security of the place. It's only as a person, only interest. Some of the scam, no more, could be some of possession of the I'm a report to come by a police station by I tell the court case and what I court I will be. As to you who owns the possession. Yes. The possession is a matter of legal litigation before Secretary High Court. As to who is the owner of the possession. How can I come? Say, even the owner of the concession is in dispute. Number two, the person who is alleged to give the concession did not take money, did not benefit. But those who were in the land, you see them just because you want one person. You use them, become a lie, you become a testifier. And I know my law. William, law, so courts where you could review is your court. The cases I can to be only legal responsibility to defend to prove his innocent. All that in law is required. They say the man who will need evidence to throw doubt on the evidence of the prosecution. It means you are a bad report, so they say, whoa. I mean, I'm going to say, no, maintain some quite going to say. Maybe to me, clap, be a say, I'm going to say, and a man benefits. And a man James Sika, someone say man benefit the truth about to be story. And again, dear, Yachomo. To me, eventually, within the two people, I say, really sorry. I say, anybody. Yes. One can say, I think it's like look, council, we are down here. That's a big thing to know. Who document? On my Maniska. I do know or benefited, no man benefited. It is a judge who analyzes the evidence. The man to me, I raise doubt to say he did not encourage people to go into the site. And that doubt, I can tell you, the law is enough for the money to get the appeal succeed. If a minor prayer, they say there should be a immediate signing of appeal, will raise the issue, or even the biasness of the judge can overcome, but the relationship between the judge and then Ashibe. It's part of the issue of bias against the judge in an appeal. All this time, the accused didn't know the relationship between the pay any good. If you have no now, but it's always in reference to the case. Because of what interest this is a late evidence which the court appeal. Could have been the judge was not clean in terms of how he handled the case. There were interested people behind him. Because when you say Okoye declared to me acquitted and decided the so from the woman. Then I say, can I see them? Yes. And then you accommodate. I should be he chose that one. And I can tell you that the appeal is like a social because one, appeal talking the created this record classroom. And I think there is no way of thinking. It's difficult to influence a 3 judge than to influence 1 judge. And I think there is no opinion Into the first grounds of appeal, she says the judgment is against the weight of evidence. A judgment now, and then the evidence doesn't support the conviction, and that alone, the court appeal will do justice, and then even a bucket can go to the Supreme Court, and then the issue even the saying that how the judge is so biased, and I saw contempt. He was in a hurry to bury justice. Even when in the written address, Yakato say there is a constitutional matter, except who go to everyone interpreting and from who so when you could they say maybe I want to for street because I say it's there don't need to be authority now let talk with you so I want to be service the also person say we just get to you can say assembly by the person they order will finish for people should also they will follow we pay for the issue is still a matter of the Supreme Court, and the last place the Supreme Court interpret and satisfy what lawyer for now I declare the judgment of vote. So there's hope. My prayer is a court to the collegial vacation. ABI, you found Chama bit with the media, human without October, not as if I might hear about. My current legal vacation, what we can do is that you finally to be your family nation for a pending appeal.
Okay.
You won't buy a judge or the council to my grant. Look, I say all educators will be now. You're dealing with who you consent can only family nation pending appeal. Where are the moment?
Yes.
Yes. Any other cases, the judges should be pending appeal. Into the replace can put to have that paper number out and we say the justice of the land will prevail. But maybe at the end of the day, yes, who will tell judgment, not judgment, will criticize you. You are there to be a servant of the people. And now judgment is the only thing someone to do with them. What do I say? And then they attack your personality, but we can attack your judgment and the ruling. The judgment is sure, that's a judgment in your small. I say, that one is allowed. If your judgment is incompetent, better than your judgment is incompetent. If your judgment doesn't make sense, we tell the judgment will make sense. And then name false. What do I say? Attacking of the judgment. And to me, the whole judgment, going so far say, it is based on bias. Political interest with me. Because you guys, them kind of appointments of there was a time when President Mahama was pushing for spirit trial. Okay. But Mahama came out in other conversation. They decided to say, I don't know, case is dealing so one day, case is dealing no. But so call you judge. Case is dealing within the first part, a genuine conform. That's what Mahama said. Also, I could be with me a genuine.
Okay.
And then President Kasano, also say, he has gone to consult the Chief Justice on the issue of the name. If it's outside, Chief Justice also, there is going to take action at you. You are supervising and administrative boss. If you know, that when the Chief Justice might either I thought to be corrected, we'll call the judge to please speed up. And then the political interest is that you see that everything that the judge did was to find what was happening on social media. The attack on her to speed up the case, led by Kevin Taylor and other people, and a case delay, and a case delay, and a case delay. So they said they got to a time the judge started talking in open court, blaming Apiakubis. No, or delay case, no. Now, social media, television, so it means that the judge was watching us. That's because they are there.
Yes.
They are doing what here, but also for her to say, which some of the radio stations, so they say, this will tell me, I see. The judge will listen, to public opinion, and then I will ask to the sense, the whole case, that precisely what Ghana changed about 2 case. To the sense, NDC will be at my death. Will be complicated big out or complicated say that you're engineering to me as honor insist to be an NDC member. And all their death, already. And it can tell you first. And you see, we should be very careful what we are doing to the judiciary. And if our judges are not up to the game, when our case will need a month for running political comments, the judge was quiet, the judge was not worried. I said, I could be now, only the near area on the case back or I join it. Now, the next week, I see for case to be 7 years. Other cases, 8 years, 9 years. Now, would you need the 6 months? Can see it to me? It shows you the political interest, the political motivation, political judgment, the decision you can describe because of all that has happened. And how they do, you know, expose. Let me tell you, there will be more expose. Let me tell you, what's it? That's going to pass every year. So it's started every day.
Yes.
If the first expose about if the one say an expose back now, yes, so person expose. We don't trust this current justices.
Yes.
And then expose here, no competition car, competition mobile, power. They will destroy your evidence. So we are waiting